Dali. Oh. Hi guys, say picture muna, kuya. 1, 2, 3. Oh, ano mo sila? Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Where's B?
I need a button. The button.
You don't need the button.
Button.
Oh, where is mommy? Ay. Hello guys, for today's video, gusto ni Bia mag-vlog pero gusto niya i-play yung button. Hindi niya alam live to. Nagbi-video siya sa IG ng daddy niya. Hindi niya alam live to. Come here. Come here, kuya. Come here. Oh, come here. Oh. We are complete. Come here. Dali. Oh. Hi guys, say picture muna, kuya. 1, 2, 3. Oh, ano mo sila? Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Where's Bia?
Where's Bia?
Where's Bia?
Where's Bia? Yes, kuya.
Where's Bia? Where's Bia?
Kuya, not all the time you can come with me and daddy. Kasama namin si mama cause we're doing something later. O diba nalaman ng live?
There you are, baby.
Tatakas kasi kami sa bata. Kasama ko si mama.
Baby. Show your face. Oh. What, you like daddy's beard? Yes. Yes? You've been eating chocolate. You've been eating ice cream because it's your birthday.
That's why your tummy is big now.
Big tum tum?
Kuya! Si Lucas talaga. Ayaw niya na talagang may sarili. Big boy na talaga siya.
No, don't twist. Ouchie.
Bia?
Ouchie.
Bia, who's daddy's baby? Mommy or Bia? Mommy or
baby?
Bia?
Who? Who's my baby?
Daddy's baby?
What?
No! I'm gonna sa bunot yaya. I'm gonna sa bunot nanay. Asiloso pala.
Oh.
Joke lang. Oto lang.
Hindi ba? Nagsumbong ka agad.
Nanay.
Nagsumbong ka agad.
Hello guys. Alam niyo dapat ngayon na namin i-upload yung birthday vlog ni Bia.
Ganda.
24 hours nag-e-edit yung mga editor natin.
Editor, no?
Big shoutout to Kuya Ram, Munin, tsaka Kiel. Yang tatlong yan. Grabe, hindi sila natulog. Kaya lang ang daming revise, ang daming inaayos. Kaya hindi naabot dahil alas 9 na hindi na makakapag-upload.
Wow. Tomorrow naman, pero...
Asoka Makeup ni Zainab, panoorin nyo na yan. Ayan, kaka-upload ko lang sa
Solid.
TikTok. Please paki-play sa TikTok kasi nakaka-bad trip eh. 10 times ko ina-upload kanina mahigit. Kung di pa ako ng contact, minumute talaga nila. Ang unfair. Naparang tuloy ako.
Nakatakot yung mga rant na ganyan.
Ilang oras ko ginawa yun? Ilang oras ko ginawa yung Asoka Trend?
10 hours?
8 hours. 8 hours ko ginawa. Actually, kaya yung parang may jeje post na ng mga transition. Kasi hindi na kaya yung oras. Tapos yung makeup artist si Mariah, siya ang nag-makeup din kay Ate Donna. That day, same day kami ni Ate Donna nag-shoot. Tapos, may rehearsal ako kasi may show ako sa Subic, kaya minadali na namin.
Busy ka?
Minadali na talaga yun sa transition part. Sabi naman kasi nila, okay na yun. Ano naman, yung dulo naman yung inaabangan. O di yung dulo, sige.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh,
what are you
what's
listening
that?
to?
Oh, show them.
Oh,
Show
what are you
them.
listening to?
Wow. You're so cute. Who's cute? Sananana. Taka. Oh, Gaburi.
Oh. Oh no.
It's not for eyes, baby.
For your ears. For your
That's
ears.
for ears, not for eyes.
You have a tattoo? I have a tattoo. Like daddy?
Tattoo.
Tattoo.
Say, guys, watch my birthday vlog to Mommy's channel.
The mole.
No, that's Nunal. Ang ganda-ganda nga
It's a
niyan
beauty
sa'yo
mark.
eh. It's a beauty mark. Yes, so beautiful. Ay, sus. Oh, sing mo sila, oh. I love you and me. Bia, sing na. Ay, no. Oh. I love you and me.
Yeah.
Dancing in the moonlight, nobody can see. It's just you and me tonight. I love you and me. Dancing in the moonlight, nobody can see. Oh, Blackpink in your
Coco.
Coco?
Waving the coco.
Waving the coco.
Drop some money.
Japin na mamani. Ay, favorite na ni Bia ang Blackpink song. Sobra. Baby boy naman.
Huh?
Sige.
Baby boy.
Kayo magdala ha.
Uh-oh.
Kayo din magpalaki.
Are you
Ang hirap
okay?
ng mga tantrums. Ang sakit din ng ulo ko buong April ako stress. Kaya nakahinga na ako, dumating na si Ray.
For how long?
Isang, di ba mahal? Umiiyak na ako sa stress.
Yeah.
Kaya hindi din ako masyado nakakapag-upload. Mas busy ako sa totoong buhay.
Yeah, actually, talaga pinaghirapan mo itong birthday ni Bia, working.
Sobrang ganda po ng birthday ni
Yeah.
Bia, guys. As in.
Make sure to tune in. Actually, may mga nag-bleep.
Oo. Pero it's okay. Sugod na lang sa aking whitey. What if ikaw naman daw ang maggalaw ng baso?
Daddy's phone.
Daddy's phone? Of course. Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, love mo na si daddy na lang. Come here na. Naglalambingan kasi kami dito eh.
Love you and I miss you so much.
Daddy's not fixing. Daddy, where?
It's not fixing?
Daddy, help me.
What do you mean?
Okay, daddy's gonna help you.
Ready? Yeah.
Dugsh.
Why is it dropping?
Like a DJ. Dugsh.
Can I listen? Let me listen. Now listen. Let's see what you're listening to. I'm a lighter.
I'm a lighter.
I'm a lighter.
Napaka-arte. Si Lucas, ayun oh. May sariling mundo. Oh. Kuya, say hi to them. Ayaw niya mag-hi.
Wala sa mood.
Wala sa mood niya.